Chevy Volt Troubleshooting, expert tips for common issues. Chevy Volt Troubleshooting involves diagnosing common issues like battery problems, software glitches, and electrical faults. Regular maintenance helps avoid most problems. The Chevy Volt, a plug-in hybrid, combines electric and gasoline power for efficient performance. Despite its reliability, issues can arise that require troubleshooting. Common problems include battery malfunctions, software errors, and electrical system faults. Regular diagnostics and maintenance checks can prevent many of these issues. Understanding basic troubleshooting steps can save time and money. This guide provides insights into identifying and resolving common Chevy Volt problems, ensuring your vehicle runs smoothly and efficiently. With proper care, your Chevy Volt can continue to deliver exceptional performance and fuel efficiency. Introduction to Chevy Volt. The Chevy Volt is a popular hybrid car. It combines a gasoline engine with an electric motor. This makes it fuel efficient and eco-friendly. Many drivers love its smooth ride and quiet operation. 1. Brief overview. Importance of troubleshooting. Chevy Volt battery problems. The Chevy Volt is known for its innovative electric battery system. However, battery problems can arise. These issues can affect the car's performance and your driving experience. Let's dive into the common battery problems and how to solve them. 1. Identifying battery issues. 2. Solutions for battery problems. Chevy Volt charging system failures. The Chevy Volt is a dependable electric vehicle, yet like all cars it faces issues. One common problem is charging system failures. This section explores common charging issues and how to fix them. 1. Common charging issues. 2. Fixing charging problems. Chevy Volt electrical system malfunctions. The Chevy Volt is a reliable car, but it can have electrical issues. Knowing the signs and how to fix them is important. Let's explore common electrical system malfunctions. 1. Signs of electrical issues. Repairing electrical faults. Chevy Volt engine and performance. The Chevy Volt is known for its impressive engine and performance. However, understanding how to troubleshoot common issues can help maintain its efficiency. This section will guide you through diagnosing engine problems and improving performance. 1. Diagnosing engine problems. 2. Improving performance. Chevy Volt software and firmware glitches. The Chevy Volt is a marvel of automotive engineering. Sometimes it faces software and firmware glitches. These issues can affect performance and user experience. Let's explore how to recognize and fix these problems. 1. Recognizing software errors. 2. Updating and resetting software. Chevy Volt transmission troubles. If your Chevy Volt is having transmission problems, you need quick solutions. Transmission issues can disrupt your driving experience. Understanding these problems helps in timely repairs. 1. Common transmission issues. 2. Maintenance and repairs. Chevy Volt regular maintenance tips. Maintaining your Chevy Volt is crucial for optimal performance. Regular maintenance ensures longevity and reliability. Here are some essential tips to keep your vehicle in top shape. 1. Routine checks. 2. Preventive measures. Chevy Volt. When to seek professional help. Owning a Chevy Volt comes with its perks. Sometimes, issues arise that need a professional touch. Knowing when to seek help can save time and money. This section will guide you through identifying major issues and choosing a reliable mechanic. 1. Identifying major issues. 2. Choosing a reliable mechanic. Frequently asked questions about Chevy Volt. How do I reset my Chevy Volt? To reset your Chevy Volt, turn the ignition off and on. This can clear minor system glitches. For more complex issues, consult your owner's manual or visit a certified mechanic. Why won't my Chevy Volt start? Your Chevy Volt may not start due to a dead battery, faulty starter, or electrical issue. Check the battery connections and charge level first. If the issue persists, seek professional help. What does the check engine light mean? The check engine light indicates a problem with your Chevy Volt's engine or emission system. It can range from a loose gas cap to a serious engine issue. Use an OBD2 scanner for a precise diagnosis. How do I fix Chevy Volt charging issues? First, check your charging cable and outlet for damage. Ensure the vehicle is set to the...
If you want to know more details, then you can visit HelloTroubleshooting.com.